Dawn Zoldai here, P3 Tech Consulting.
And I'm Dave Kraus, Influential Drones.
We're on day 7, the final day of FAA's National Drone Safety Awareness Week for 2021. And this is part 2, Share the Sky, Get Out and Fly. You know, education doesn't end after 7 days. Please don't think that it does. What we want you to do is go ahead right now and get a free account on FAAsafety.gov.
I'm actually the National Industry Member for Safety, and here are some classes that I created with the help of other partners. Be sure to scan the QR code, enroll in each one, and guess what? You can actually also turn into credit on your pilot record. Here's some more slides of some courses that we've created. There's even more activities coming soon. Wait for content from Pilot Institute and Sundance Media Group. What's more important than anything else is that this industry works together. We all promote safety. That's the whole purpose of National Safety Week. And as Dawn says, the work continues after this week.
Absolutely. It's not only education, but it's safety is never one and done. So we hope you enjoyed this week with us. We certainly enjoyed being with you. If you have any questions, feel free to email us even after this week. And in the meantime, get out there, share the sky, and Dave, one more time, fly safe.